of India, but there is a small problem in that. He himself said that the 40% of them, the pollution, comes from the road transportation. So this is a time for us. We have to think about pollution and how to reduce it. There are many ways to reduce, but I want to take one way that is known as the electrical vehicle, and we call it as EV in general. When you have electrical vehicle, things will be better, pollution will be reduced, green gas emission will be less, carbon dioxide will be less, it's fine. But to have that, we require following things. That is my suggestion. If we follow that, it will be really great. Number one, there is a new word by the name range anxiety. It has come into the picture. That means if you have electrical vehicle, you are always under anxiety when the battery charge will be over. So you have to always look at when I get a charging station. And when you get a charging station, following things you have to think, there will be a big queue. Second one, in winter it doesn't charge very well because the battery cannot take it. Number three, how much time I get to charge my battery. To do all these things, we should have good electricity production. Normally, state produces electricity either by hydel or by thermal, maybe some people by nuclear. The kind of electricity we produce, it may be enough for our own state. In that case, where will I bring the extra electricity? I may have 10 charging points, but if I don't have electricity, they are null and void. So this is the main concern, the production and distribution of electricity for the charging points, for the level 2, to reduce the range anxiety. Second thing, like heart to the body, for electrical vehicle, the heart is a battery. There should be a good BMS, that is battery management system, and there should be a cell which also should be a very good quality. Then only the batteries can work very well and efficiently. Recently in Rajasthan, we have found out there is a new, the Lithium is available. So it will be a great idea if in India we can manufacture our own batteries, and that makes us independent, self-dependent, not dependent like oil. Then we can produce a better design batteries which will help us for the EV vehicle in a long way. There is a third point is technician training. Without that, it will be really incomplete because there is no good technical training, or there are people who do not understand this technology. So
Thank you. Thank you, Mani Srimati Sudhamurthy ji. Honorable Sri.